What's up guys, it is Anon and welcome to my channel. So basically my channel is going to be a cartoonish, professional tutorial and or gaming channel. All my videos will be as professional as I can make it with as much information as I can get without boring you guys. My channel is going to be mostly tutorials and how-tos. On my channel, I hope to achieve top-notch quality for you guys to enjoy. My channel is going to be family-friendly and pretty much anyone can watch it. I hope my channel will help your channel grow. Thanks for watching and see you guys later. Peace.